I'm your host, Jordan Rivers, and you're watching Turn the Pages. Here, I'll introduce the power of story to you and your family, discuss a valuable lesson that was taught, and give you a free gift in the end. So, stay tuned. Today, I'm reviewing Becoming a Superhero by Ariane Durden and illustrated by DeVonn Armstrong. In Becoming a Superhero, Sasha Jones and Eva Smith have to race each other in order to be the first ones to find the secret recipe to becoming a superhero. Sasha's parents encourage her to eat superfoods to win the race, but Eva has other plans to win. When the race starts, Eva plays dirty and constantly comes up with obstacles to throw Sasha's way. Sasha went through every checkpoint and learned something new that will help her on her journey. Will everything that Sasha learned be enough to get past Eva and all the tricks up her sleeve? If you want to know what happens, you'll have to add the book on your shelf and turn the pages to see for yourself. Every book has a lesson. And when you read Becoming a Superhero, you'll learn a great formula in order to take better care of yourself. Remember that in order to be successful, you can't skip the process. If you love the story, then you should definitely make your own cake and food chart and use it as a reminder of what you should do to become a superhero. Go to turnthepages.org and print a free download of your cake and food chart. But wait, that's not it. Now you can print a worksheet based off of the book to test those reading comprehension skills. That's it for today, guys. But don't forget to turn the pages, and I'll see you soon. Until then, I'll turn the page and see what happens in the end.